I like how easy that comes off.
Stuck. Oh, look at this. All kinds of junk.
All right, time to start getting this thing ready. Rear end, got to put the, got to fix that tire better. It's got the 4 plugs in it. There's a tire that's got to get repaired. See if we can get a better patch job on the inside. These are the 4 plugs. They've held up really well. They haven't leaked at all. So that's pretty cool. Know that that temporary patch will work that long. Held up all winter snow blowing or snow plowing. Gotta change all the oils and whatnot. Start getting it ready. But this is what we still have. So, I mean, we're the last week in April here, and we still got tons of snow. It's ridiculous out in the bush. So sorry for all the short videos lately, but that's where I am with videos. That was our last ride, that snowy ride up to the tower. And I've been plowing snow since then. It's been annoying, but gonna slowly get this thing together now. Take off the console to clean the... I like how easy that comes off. Nope. Unhook those, and then you can pull that up. Filter's looking pretty good. Clean that up, change the oils, the diff oils, tranny oil, engine oil, all that good stuff. Check everything over. Make sure everything's still solid on here. Haven't heard any clanging or banging, so that's good. So, like I said, sorry, but here's another short video before we start riding again. We'll do our best to get out, but like I said, you can see the snow. It's ridiculous. All right, take care, everyone.